conversion of biodegradable material to compost, sir. This is already approved by board for 5 years, sir. We are now seeking for the administrative sanction for the 4th year, sir, and cumulative sanction, sir. Cumulative sanction of 7.2 crores, sir, for all the put together for the last 3 years and present year, sir.
I have a small question. The solid waste management equipment are very old, because I sent experts from Infosys last about a year back, I don't know when. They came and inspected. They said this is really old fashioned, it is not useful now. So they gave a proposal. It is not because of, I told them, not for our benefit, but we are very good in solid waste management at Infosys. We invited some engineers from TTD, Tirumala, they came and visited us. I just want to tell, the suggestion is, the whole system is very old and the system is not efficient. That's what is the report they have given to us. Just to inform you in the board and see what can be done on that.
Sir, can I supplement, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, this is for 5 years tender, sir. What we have now is the problems facing in the present tender, sir. The compost is being generated, sir. Compost is not being able to dispose it, sir. So we want to terminate this by the...
నేను నా డౌట్స్ అడిగేస్తాను, అన్ని కలిపి క్లారిఫై చేసేయండి సరిపోతుంది. ఓకే సార్. సార్ 7.2 crores 4 years మనం పెట్టాము. ఈ కాంపోస్ట్ డిస్పోజల్ లాస్ట్ ఎప్పుడు చేశారు? 4 years అయిందా? ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ 5 years అయింది. అప్పుడున్న ఓకే, అప్పుడు నా పాయింట్స్ రాసుకు, ఎందుకంటే పాయింట్ కొద్దు, జస్ట్ నా డౌట్స్ క్లారిఫికేషన్. చైర్మన్ సార్, సార్ మీరు ప్రతి రూపాయి టీటీడీ డబ్బులు సేవ్ చేయడానికి మీరు తీసుకున్న నిర్ణయాలు కూడా అందరూ కూడా సంతోషదాయకం సార్. నిజంగా అందరికీ అభినందనీయం, మనస్ఫూర్తి. ఎందుకంటే డబ్బులు టీటీడీలో సేవ్ చేయడానికి మీరు ప్రతి చిన్నదాన్ని కూడా జాగ్రత్తగా ఫాలోఅప్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చే కొంత సార్ 7.2 crores 4 years మనం స్పెండ్ చేయాలనుకున్నాం. ఆల్మోస్ట్ 2.2 ఇప్పుడు యాడ్ అవుతుంది సార్. ఇప్పుడు యాడ్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు మీరు మొత్తము 7,000 టన్నులు మీ దగ్గర కంపోస్ట్ ఉందని చూపించారు. ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్. అది డ్రైగా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు ఎంత ఉంది, వెట్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎంత ఉంది, తగ్గిపోతూ వచ్చింది. ఇప్పటివరకు మీరు సేల్స్ చేయలేదండి. సెకండ్ పాయింట్, వీటికి ఎప్పుడైనా కూడా మీరు కనీసం డిస్పోజ్ చేయడానికి టీటీడీ ఇంతవరకు లైసెన్స్ తీసుకునిందా? రెండో పాయింట్, మీరు బయటకు డిస్పోజ్ చేయాలంటే టీటీడీ దగ్గర లైసెన్స్ ఉండాలా? లైసెన్స్ కానీ అప్లై చేశారా? అప్లై చేయలేదా? టీటీడీ దగ్గర లైసెన్స్ ఉందా ఈ కాంపోస్ట్ని బయటకు డిస్పోజ్ చేయడానికి? ఎక్కడైనా కూడా వీటికి సంబంధించి రైతు ఒకవేళ మీరు అమ్మలేకపోయారు, కానీ రైతుల కన్నా ప్రపోజ్ చేసి, ఎందుకంటే దేవుడి దగ్గర ఉన్నటువంటి ఈ వేస్ట్ అంతా కూడా మనం టన్నుకి ఎంత ఖర్చు పెడుతున్నాం? సుమారుగా 7,000 టన్నులు మన దగ్గర పెట్టుకొని 7 crores మాకు ఖర్చు పెట్టి మనం దాన్ని కంపోస్ట్గా మారుస్తున్నాం. మార్చి ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? ఒక దగ్గర కొన్ని సంవత్సరాలుగా స్టోర్ చేస్తున్నాం. అక్కడ స్టోర్ చేస్తున్నాం, ఆ స్పేసు వేస్ట్ అవుతుంది. కంపోస్ట్గా ఎరువుగా తయారై కూడా అది ఎట్లా ఉపయోగపడకుండా వెట్టగా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇస్తే కొంచెం క్వాంటిటీ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, వెయిటేజ్ ఉంటుంది. అది డ్రై అయిపోయి వెయిటేజ్ కూడా తగ్గిపోతుంది 4 సంవత్సరాలు అయ్యేటప్పటికి. కనీసం రైతుల కన్నా ఫ్రీగా ఇచ్చుంటే రైతులైనా ఎరువులు దేవుడు ఇచ్చిన ఎరువును వాడుకుంటారు. అసలు రైతులకే మనం పంపడం లేదు, మనం టెండర్ ద్వారానో అమ్మడం లేదు. మనమేమో కోట్ల రూపాయలు దీని మీద స్పెండ్ చేసాము. వేస్ట్ని మార్చాల్సిందే తప్ప, ఎందుకంటే స్మెల్ వచ్చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి వేస్ట్ మనం కంపోస్ట్గా మార్చేస్తున్నాం. మార్చేసి స్టోర్ చేసుకుని సంవత్సరాలు పెట్టుకుంటున్నాం. కాబట్టి ఇలా చేయడానికి కారణం ఏంది? ఆ కనీసం మీ దగ్గర లైసెన్స్ కూడా ఎందుకు అప్లై చేయాలి? ఇంతవరకు బయట వాళ్ళు రానప్పుడు రైతుల కన్నా ఎందుకు ఇవ్వకూడదు?
ఇప్పుడు ఆల్రెడీ మీ దగ్గర ఉండే సిస్టమ్, వేస్ట్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ సిస్టంలో ఇప్పుడు డ్రై వేస్ట్, వెట్ వేస్ట్ సెగ్రిగేట్ చేసి కంపోస్ట్ చేస్తున్నారా?
సార్ వెట్ వేస్ట్ కంపోస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం సార్.
డ్రై వేస్ట్
లాస్ట్ టైం ఒక టెండర్ యాక్సెప్ట్ అయింది సార్, అది కొత్తది వస్తుంది సార్, వాళ్ళు తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతారు సార్.
అంటే డ్రై వేస్ట్ మీరేమి ప్రాసెస్ చేయరు?
వాళ్ళే ప్రాసెస్ చేసి వాళ్ళే తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతారు.
డ్రై వేస్ట్ సార్, డ్రై వేస్ట్కు ఇంతకుముందు సార్ మనం కాంట్రాక్టర్ చూసుకుంటే కానీ మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే సార్, డ్రై వేస్ట్ కూడా టెండర్ కాల్ఫర్ చేసాం సార్. టెండర్ బోర్డు అప్రూవ్ అయింది, దానికి ఒక షెడ్ కట్టేసి సార్. మనం డ్రై వేస్ట్ అంతా తీసుకుపోయి వాళ్ళు కంప్రెస్ చేసి దాన్ని దే ఆర్ సెండింగ్ ఇన్ టు దీస్ సిమెంట్ ఫ్యాక్టరీస్ బేసికలీ సార్, ఫర్ ఫ్యూయల్ పర్పస్. దానికోసమని వాళ్ళు ఆల్రెడీ టెండర్ వేశారు, మనకు హైయెస్ట్ బిడ్ అమౌంట్ వచ్చింది. వీ ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్ ద ప్రాసెస్. ఈ వెట్ వేస్ట్ సార్,
ఇది వెట్ వేస్ట్ డ్రై వేస్ట్?
వెట్ సార్.
ఇది వెట్ వేస్ట్, అది క్లారిఫై చేయండి ఫస్ట్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఫర్ వెట్ వేస్ట్.
వెట్ వేస్ట్. ఇది మహేంద్ర కంపెనీ వాళ్ళు మనకు ఈ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ చేశారు సార్ లాస్ట్
Hmm? Hmm?
మహేంద్ర అండ్ మహేంద్ర కంపెనీ
Hmm.
డొనేషన్ బేసిస్ పైన ఆల్ దిస్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ ఇన్స్టాల్డ్ ఇన్ తిరుమల
Hmm.
ఫర్ కన్వర్టింగ్ వెట్ వేస్ట్ ఇంటూ దిస్ కంపోస్ట్ సార్.
Hmm.
సో ఎరువుగా అది అయింది.
Hmm.
అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ సార్ దీన్ని డిస్పోజల్ చేయడానికి సార్ గత 5-6 years గా నో యాక్షన్ హాస్ బీన్ టేకన్ టు డిస్పోజ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ కంపోస్ట్ either to farmers or to sell sir. Nothing has been done.
Hmm.
And sir, I reviewed sir this 2 times so far when earlier CE was there and now Ramesh Reddy Togoda. Basically sir, to transport this license from Ministry of Agriculture, Government of Andhra Pradesh is required sir. Without license we cannot transport. So manaku Ramesh Reddy oka proposal pettaru sir. Proposal pedithe na దగ్గరికి వచ్చింది ఫైల్ సార్ దీన్ని మనం డిస్పోజ్ చేద్దామని. Then I asked where is the license for disposal. So first let us apply for the license. Why you did not apply for license for 4-5 years? But they say that license is not being given. It is not correct sir. So properly license apply చేస్తే మనం ఎవరో పోయి అగ్రికల్చర్ మినిస్ట్రీలో కూర్చుంటే ప్రభుత్వం సార్ ఇమీడియట్ గా మీరు కానీ లేకపోతే ఎవరైనా ఈఓ గారు కానీ మెంబర్ కానీ వాళ్ళకు రిక్వెస్ట్ చేసి ఇమీడియట్ ఇచ్చేస్తారు లైసెన్స్. దే షుడ్ నాట్ మెనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఫర్ గెటింగ్ ద లైసెన్స్. సో లైసెన్స్ ఇస్తే సార్ మనము either you can conduct auction so that one bidder can take it and he can distribute it to farmers, sell చేసుకోవచ్చు ఆయన. లేదంటే సార్ మనమే తిరుపతికి తీసుకెళ్ళి రైతులకు కాస్ట్ బేసిస్ మన ఆపరేషన్ కాస్ట్ కు ఈ కంపోస్ట్ మనం ఫిక్స్ చేసేసి మనం టన్స్ ప్రకారం ఇవ్వచ్చు సార్ మనం. దిస్ కెన్ బి డన్. సో నౌ సార్ ఐ రిక్వెస్టెడ్ దెమ్ టు అప్లై ఫర్ లైసెన్స్ సార్.
And now what is this tender?
Sir, this tender is for operation and maintenance of this equipment, that is plant, for conversion of wet waste into compost.
అది మరి మహేంద్ర వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చారంటుంది.
సార్ మహేంద్ర డొనేషన్ ఇచ్చి ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేసి వాళ్ళు వెళ్ళిపోయారు సార్. అది డొనేషన్ బేస్ పైన మొత్తం ఎక్విప్మెంట్ అంతా వాళ్ళే పెట్టారు. పెట్టి కొన్నాళ్ళు ఆపరేట్ చేసి వెళ్ళిపోయారు. నో మెయింటెనెన్స్ మనం చేసుకోవాలి సార్.
కానీ ఆనరబుల్ మెంబర్ చెప్పేది సుధా నారాయణమూర్తి గారు.
No, he says this equipment is very old. When I was JO for the first time, sir, 12-13 years back it was established, sir. Now, madam is saying that the equipment is outdated. Now, new equipments have come. Why don't you replace any, madam?
అదేనా, in that case seek her advice.
Yes,
Just
sir.
ask her to send our technical team. If the equipment is not, no,
Sir,
Sir, I sent a
No, no.
technical team, sir. They came and gave a proposal. They and also Tirumala engineers came and saw our different plants.
that's what I am
No.
telling, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
That's what I am telling them.
Sir, there are 3 issues in this entire wet management subject, sir. One is that disposal of the existing entire compost. What member has rightly said is it is occupying space also, and functioning is also become difficult, and we are not earning revenue also. Neither we are giving free of cost to the farmers, sir. That has to be sorted out, sir. Issue. Second is that we have to convert wet waste into compost. There is no question, we have to do it. So for that, sir, operation maintenance of plant is required. That needs to be approved, sir.
Sir, here 2 things. Let us first take up disposal of.
How much it costs, sir? The new equipment, any idea?
They have to prepare the DPR, no, ma'am.
Madam, when we
Yeah.
Let them
Please
prepare the DPR.
and-
Let them
Sir,
prepare the
sir,
DPR.
Personally, I will give 1 crore rupees, sir.
No,
Oh, very good.
Personally, madam, my request to you is, madam, so why don't you send your operators here and do it on donation basis, madam, on your corporate social responsibility. Yes, sir.
No, sir, that will not come because the Infosys has a different CSR.
No, she
which
is kind enough
for
that she has
digital
already
literacy.
announced 1 crore donation for that.
No, I will give my
Happily.
personal money, nothing to do with Infosys, sir, because our corporate
Correct.
social responsibility is on digital literacy, not in the temple. So they can go and give the report, but I will give my personal money of 1 crore rupees for this project.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Disposal is one, sir.
So first thing, Anna, no. First thing, let us address one by one. First one is try to get the permission as early as possible on war footing and dispose of the whatever compost we have immediately. Otherwise, it will be creating a big environment problem. I am telling already, because I have already visited that place once. It is already like a hillock. That you put somebody, Ramesh,
Yes, sir.
and AO garu, put somebody on that job and take clearance, immediate clearance from the government and if necessary, I will also talk to concerned authorities and see that it is disposed at least on cost-to-cost basis to the farmers, required farmers, how to market it, you handle with through local agriculture departments or pesticide departments. And second, this we dispose of first. Second thing, let us take up the advice of the Narayana Murthy's technical team, Sudhana Infosys technical team, and what is the latest equipment which suits our requirement.
Yeah,
Because
yes, sir. That is true, that is true.
Yeah,
I will
which
connect
suits
them to
our,
your office, sir, Dharma Reddy garu, I will connect them to your office and let them submit the report.
Yes, yes. Then after that, let us go for tenders.
Yeah.
Yeah, let them prepare. Whoever technical team or consultant we are going to discuss with them, let them submit it. After discussion, let them submit the DPR also with their technology. Then we will go
Okay,
for
sir,
tenders.
that is fine,
First,
that is
there
fine.
are-
For the present, sir, we have to operate this, sir. Till we establish new one.
That you continue. As of now, what is the system we are continuing, you continue. But as early as possible, first you find out the solution to dispose of the compost already processed to the farmers. At least on a cost-to-cost basis.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And this is, sir, sir, this is my personal money, nothing to do with Infosys.
Okay, madam. Thank you.
Okay.
Let us go for next item.
Okay.
Serial number 21, item 135, FACEO.
Sir, in the month of June, sir, we were getting we got our IOB gold deposits. It was getting matured, sir. In the month of May, board has given us this thing that yes, you can go with IOB or with State Bank of India under the long-term gold deposit scheme. But when it has been asked for IOB said that because of this gold moratorium announced, kindly give us moratorium for 6 months, so that they will pay at the lesser rate of interest of 1.25. That is what they have said. But it was not agreed, and it has been conveyed to them that had it been invested in State Bank of India, we will get around 2.5%. If the same thing is given by them for the 6 months, whatever they have asked, that is the moratorium period, what Reserve Bank of India they have asked for the said period, if they are taking for that, gold deposits to be returned back, then the same 2.5% has to be paid. They have agreed finally, and they are paying us 2.5% to the gold to be returned to TTD, sir. And it is whenever it is returned, they said they will not take back that gold, so it is placed with the State Bank of India for the gold deposits. Yes, sir. There is no loss of revenue. It has been placed before the finance committee. Finance committee has said it is noted, and this is
Actually, sir, it required a lot of effort on our part. They said that we will not be paid. We said we have to go to
Yes,
media.
Including delayed period also.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
2.5%, sir.
Yeah, 2.5% they have
1.25%.
agreed to pay. Yeah. That's what our Yuva Garu is also
Yes, sir. In fact,
that.
it was
They have put lot of efforts in that in negotiating with the bankers.
yes, sir. In fact, it should go. I should tell, sir. He was said if they are not returning, we'll report back to Reserve Bank of India. Then, in fact, they have come back, sir. I think it is.
Good, we
wonderful.
appreciate for this thing. Next.
Sir, next is, sir, with regard to the gold deposits, this thing, sir. The board has asked us to carry out an MOU with the mint to take over the gold dollars and as well as Mangalasutrams and everything, sir. And first time, yes, TTD has made out a MOU with the IG Mint, and which has been cleared by the Finance Ministry also. And the point, sir, the board has said that hand over the gold to the mint, so that it will be carried out that Mangalasutrams, dollars and all these things. But The point, sir, that when we hand it over to Mint, the whole thing, whatever the transportation, insurance and everything, TTD has to pay it, sir. And that will be, it is a huge amount, sir. It will be a huge amount. And whatever we require for gold dollars and as well as Mangal Sutrams, that alone it will be handed over to them for the Mint. And the rest of the gold, that will be handed over to State Bank of India under gold deposits.
We will get deputy.
Yes, sir. So that there will be a saving of around more than 1 crore, that transportation and all these things there will be a savings.
Good idea.
That-
Ramesh Rao garu, you want to address something? Yes. Yes, Anna, చెప్పండి.
Totally, when I was in the finance committee,
Anna.
and also we recommended that time gold was used to be at 38,000 rupees. The committee felt that we should get it. That day I strongly argued to go for the long-term deposit. I think Mr. Park of India also there.
Kupendra Reddy, yeah.
So what I request the board, all the gold, whichever the gold is in the short term, you are getting only 1.5%. Today, as this of the fixed deposit, bank rates have come down to 5 to 6%. Therefore, I request the board, all the gold whichever is in the pipeline under short term, convert into long time. And also, the market reports, billion, this gold prices are going to further up and up.
Yes.
We'll get a double benefit. See, straightly 1.5 to 1.25 to 2.5% is a long-term deposit.
Okay.
Therefore, I request all the boards to consider entire gold which is under the short-term deposit. Also, cancel it and convert into the
Long-term deposit. Good idea. What is that?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, we take either way.
What is that presently you are doing? What is the duration you are depositing our gold?
Sir, my submission, sir. We are now, as and when, that is previously for a short period, got to be carried out in respect of gold deposit. Then at that point of time, it was taken only for 3 years, this thing, sir. Now, whatever the
For
policy
3 years, how much you are getting return?
it is 1.25, sir.
3.5.
1.25. Now
1.5.
the board has said that it should be only for a long term, and we are going only for a long term deposit.
Long
As
term
sir said,
means,
yes.
long term means how many years now?
2.5, sir, 12 years.
12 years. Good.
Mr. Balaji,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Balaji, one request, whichever is in the short term also,
Yes, sir.
connect it immediately
Convert
and
it to-
convert into long time.
Sure, sir.
Good.
Sure, sir.
That's a good idea, Ramesh. That we will ask them to initiate that process also.
Yeah, exactly.
We
Therefore,
will-
sir, 2.5,
henceforth,
2.5
from
gold.
henceforth, we will ask them to convert all our gold deposits into long-term deposits.
First class. Done, sir.
Okay,
Exactly, sir.
right.
See, both ways are, see, you visitors are last time to this time, gold has gone up 30%.
True,
Yes, sir.
true. Because of this COVID, I think it has gone to.
No,
maximum.
not sir. Your international market reports also gold is going to further consolidate.
I see.
Therefore, sir, whatever, let us end the interest substantially, which is 100% more, instead of 1.25 to 2.5. Then definitely gold billion market will be always an uptrend.
Good, we will immediately act on this and we will ask them to go for a long-term deposits only. Okay?
Excellent, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Right, Ramesh. Thank you. Next item.
Sir. The next is, sir, with regard to specified bank notes, sir. When the demonetization has taken place, sir, we had after that also the receipt of 500 rupees and 1000 rupees notes, it continued in our hundi, sir. And we have first when there was a demonetized notes, when it is coming up in hundi, it has been I mean the Reserve Bank of India was requested so as to guide us in respect of what to do and I mean give the direction to the banks to take it. But they have said that there is no window and it has been closed. And immediately it has been taken to Ministry of Finance, and the Ministry of Finance with series of letters that it can be seen in the subject, sir. And after that, now they have directed us saying that yes, we will not give you any reply. You go to Reserve Bank of India again. That is what it has come, sir. So it has been placed before the Finance Committee, and Finance Committee said yes, you continue with the Reserve Bank of India. This is what it has been said. So this is just it is.
See, in this connection, we have already approached the Finance Minister 2-3 times and the Reserve Bank, of course, are also corresponding. We will still try. We will once the Parliament section starts, we'll take all our MPs and request.
Only value for source,
I think close to 50 crores,
50 crores.
Yes, sir.
55 crores I think.
Around 49 crores, sir, 50 crores, sir. 50 crores.
50 crores. Not a small amount. Even in fact during this COVID pandemic period, we badly need our
Parliament
revenue.
member said, sir,
Hmm?
Our parliament member, let them raise question.
That's what I'm telling. We'll take during next parliament, because last 6 months there is no parliament section or nothing is happening, you know, due to COVID. Next parliament section, we will also take all our MPs and request honorable finance minister, and if necessary, MPs also will go to meet with Reserve Bank governor also. We'll put pressure. We'll take it up
Sir.
at central government level and Reserve Bank level.
Sir.
Okay, next.
Sir, next is, sir, with regard to our policy guidelines in respect of investment, sir.
Yes, this I will explain,
Please.
regarding our present deposits, no?
Sir, that comes under last, sir. This is, sir, that is, we take our investments, sir, to be renewed at the every financial quarter, sir. So every financial quarter we get the interest of around 150 crores now at present, sir. In fact, you has said why we should not get the interest every month, so that our investments, if we plan in such a way that we get every month interest, so that this sort of situation, if it is going to arise, yes, TTD will not have any this thing, sir. So this is placed, the proposal is placed before your good self, that to allow us to carry out the investment in such a way that every month 1,000 crores gets matured when it is renewed, sir, so that every month we get the interest inflow, sir. This is what this thing, sir. It has been placed before the finance committee, and they have recommended the approach.
Yeah, this is I think basically.
Chairman, sir.
Who is that?
Even finance committee approved.